Located in downtown Kuwait City, the Kuwait Towers, Burj Al Kuwait, are on the seashore in Arabian Gulf Street of Sharq district. The plan of constructing Kuwait Tower dates back to 1962. Less than a year after Kuwait achieved its freedom from England, the Kuwait Towers are a group of 3 slender towers in Kuwait City standing on a promontory into the Persian Gulf. The Kuwait Towers were officially inaugurated in March 1979, and are regarded as a landmark and symbol of modern Kuwait. The main tower is 187 meters, 614 featuring high and carries 2 spheres. The lower sphere holds in its bottom half a water tank of 4,500 cubic meters, 1,200,000 US gal, and in its upper half there is a restaurant that accommodates 90 people, a cafe, a lounge and a reception hall. The upper sphere, which rises to 123 meters, 404 featuring above sea level and completes a full turn every 30 minutes, holds a cafe. The second tower is 147 meters, 482 featuring high and serves as a water tower. The third tower does not store water, housing equipment to illuminate the 2 larger towers. The 2 water towers hold 9,000 cubic meters, 2,400,000 US gal, of water altogether. 4, 5, 6. Although there are 3 towers, the structure is often referred to as Kuwait Tower in singular. 7, 8. The Kuwait Towers were designed by Danish architect Malene Bjørn as part of a water distribution project run by the Swedish engineering company VBB, renamed Sweco in 1997. Building took place from 1971 to 1976 and the main tower was opened to the public on the 1st of March 1979. Approximately 41,000 enameled steel discs cover the 3 spheres in 8 shades of blue, green and grey, recalling the tiled domes of historic mosques. The discs are arranged in spiral patterns around the spheres. According to the architect, the Kuwait Tower Group refers to ideals of humanity in technology, symbolized by the globe and the rocket. How to go. Kuwait Towers ticket price and opening hours. Kuwait Towers officially started to welcome visitors today, so we decided to pass by, but we didn't go up to the towers because it was cloudy and we prefer a sunny and clear weather for a better view. We asked about all what you need to know if you are planning a visit. As for the entrance ticket price, it's KD3 per person, but the ticket for kids between 4 and 9 years is KD 1.5 and kids below that age can enter for free. The viewing sphere opens from 9 a.m. till 11:30 in the evening. In case you are going to the restaurant inside the towers, no need to buy tickets and you can also park your car inside since the parking is only for the restaurant guests.